Hello my gems, this is Shelly, and in today's video I'm going to introduce you all to very unique skincare products. And before I do that, let me do my due diligence. Like your girl got sponsored. Today's video is sponsored by Limaze.com. Limaze is the Indian Korean product selling website, and they carry some really good Korean skincare brands such as Cosrx, Klairs, Make Prem, Bella Monster, SNP and many more. And few weeks back they launched the SNP Prep Vitaronic range, and I was really intrigued by this range, and that is why I decided to do this collaboration. And this range gets the name of Vitaronic because of the combination of the words vitamin and hyaluronic acid. And for the vitamins they have used the ascorbic acid, the pure vitamin C, and also they have used the niacinamide and panthenol. And additionally they have also used the handful of citrus fruit extract. And we all know citrus fruit extracts are rich in multiple vitamins, especially the vitamin C and vitamin E, and are really good source of antioxidants for your skin. And antioxidants helps in fighting the free radical damage. This means that we will be avoiding the early signs of aging, and also we will achieve that healthy glowing skin. And to achieve that intense hydration on your skin, they have used the 3 different types of hyaluronic acid, and therefore you can consider these skincare products as a really good affordable way of achieving that super hydrated, dewy, glowing, healthy skin. I have been using these moisturizer religiously for both morning and night routine for the past 10 days, whereas this ampule is something which I have recently started using. So accordingly I'm gonna share my opinion on this product, like what I think about them, which skin type should be using these products, and what you should be expecting from this product. So without further ado, let's get started with the review part of the video. So at first I will be sharing my thoughts on SNP Prep Vitaronic Gel Cream. And just like the name, this has a gel cream sort of texture, and moment this moisturizer touches your skin, it melts like a butter and sinks in very smoothly into the skin without feeling heavy or sticky. So whenever I use this Vitaronic cream on my dry skin, it doesn't stick to any dry patches, and instantly gives that super hydrated, super moist, super dewy skin finish. Like if you see in the clip over here, like even though I have lot of acne marks because of the breakout that I had in the last month, my skin still looks like quite healthy and in a really good condition. Like I'm still very happy how my skin is looking over here. And you can safely use this Vitaronic range on a daily basis. You can use it in your morning routine, you can also use it in your night routine, and if you're using any active based serums like retinol, peptide or other vitamin C serum, like whatever, you can safely combine those serum with this moisturizer. Like even though this does contain ascorbic acid, but since the ascorbic acid is used at the very bottom of the ingredient list, it's perfectly fine, as I'm sure that the percentage of ascorbic acid is not above 1%, so it is extremely safe. And formulation wise, this has a really good formula. Like it is 100% essential oil free, it is 100% carrier oil free, and also this is 100% fungal acne safe. Like I'm so happy and I'm so proud to get my hands on this moisturizer, because many of you have been asking me to look around for a moisturizer which is affordable and at the same time is fungal acne safe. So definitely check this out. Like the original price of this moisturizer is rupees 1050, and if you use my affiliate code Shelly, you can get 10% off, and the price of this moisturizer will come down to rupees 945. And I want to put out a disclaimer over here, like if you use my affiliate code, you get the 10% off, and I get a fraction of commission on the sale made. And so this is like a win-win situation for both of us. And one thing I want to say, that this moisturizer does contain some moderate fragrance. To me it mostly smells like lemonade, and but this fragrance goes away after 1 or 2 minutes of application. So if you don't have an issue with the artificial fragrance in a product, definitely check this out, because other than that I really don't see any problem with this product. I see this moisturizer has one product that's gonna hydrate your skin, that's gonna moisturize your skin, that's gonna add that healthy glow on your skin, but at the same time don't expect this moisturizer to work on your very deep stubborn acne marks. For that you will need a separate treatment. On my dry, sensitive and acne prone skin, this has been working fabulously. I didn't have any issue with this moisturizer, and I feel that all skin types can use it. Like, doesn't matter if you have normal, dry, combination or oily skin, but if you have very oily skin, like extremely oily skin, and you happen to live in a coastal regions where the summer is very hot and very humid, save this moisturizer for the winter time, not for the summertime. And the next product is the S&P Prep Vitaronic SOS Ampule, and this comes with 7 single usage ampule with each having a quantity of 1.5 ml. So this ampule has a texture which is quite runny but viscous at the same time, and moment you apply this ampule on your skin, it sinks in like really well, leaving your skin super hydrated and super moist. So this product is basically a 7 days intensive skin brightening treatment kit. When you are using this Vitaronic SOS ampule, just make sure that there is no liquid at the top of the ampule, and if you see that there is some fluid at the top, just tap the ampule gently at the neck portion, and when you see that the entire fluid has come down to the bottom, just break it at the nozzle and take out the needed quantity on your palm and pat it all over face. And you can use it in 2 different ways. The first and the preferred method is that you use each ampule on a daily basis continuously for 7 days, and on 7th day you should see that your skin should look very healthy, very glowy, very dewy and everything. And second method is to use each ampule on your random days, like on days you feel like your skin needs some intensive treatment. And second way is something which I prefer. Like, instead of using sheet mask, I prefer using this. So what I do is I would clean my face, use my toner, or if I'm using any essence, I would use that, and then I layer each ampule for almost 4 or 5 times, and then I finish off my skincare routine with preferably this Vitaronic moisturizer. Like, once you open the ampule, make sure you use it in the same day as well. Don't save it for the next day, otherwise your product might go bad. And formulation wise, this has a similar formula like that of the moisturizer. This ampule is also 100% essential oil free and is 100% carrier oil free. But again, it does have some moderate amount of fragrance in it. Like, compared to the moisturizer, this contains lower intensity of fragrance, and also this ampule is not fungal acne safe. So if you don't have issue with the added fragrance in a product, or if you don't deal with the fungal acne, definitely check this ampule. And I have used this ampule twice so far, and I really love like how it made my skin super duper hydrated, and it added that healthy glow on my skin. And especially like if I combine this ampule with the moisturizer, I saw even better result on next day. And so I see this ampule as really good option, like a really good alternative for the sheet mask. And if you are like a person who travels a lot, or you are like constantly moving and you cannot like take along your skincare routine with you, just carry 1 or 2 ampule from this and your moisturizer, and you're all prepared for your routine. So I feel that these ampule are perfect for all skin types for this upcoming summer season. But if you have extremely oily skin, save this ampule for the winter season. And when compared to the moisturizer, I'm sure that this ampule has comparatively higher concentration of ascorbic acid, that is the pure vitamin C, because the ascorbic acid used in the formulation is at first half of the ingredient list. So I guess this is one of the other reason why they went with the single usage packaging, to keep the ascorbic acid more potent and fresh. So that's all for today's video, and I will see you in my next upload. Bye.